What is going on, everyone? Been out for a minute, but I am excited to be back, especially for this pair, the newest collaboration between Imran Potato and Vans' reincarnated OTW line. It looks like they're using the same box from the first release and also the same model too, but with a little twist. This is the Knu Skool MTE LX. Official colorway name is Imran Potato Navy. Alright, let me show you what the MTE is all about. You ready? Let's go! The very first release between Imran Potato and Vans, which is Vans Vault at that time, was about 2 years ago. And if you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. I'll leave the link down below. This release came with two colorways, the black with gum soles and this pair. Now the black one is only exclusive to the Imran Potato website, which is unfortunately sold out. Imran used the classroom vibe on this release and also on the first release as well. Check out the tissue paper as it resembles a notepad. Oh, by the way, there is this third camel colorway. Imran posted many pics of this colorway, but no official word or release info on it yet, so it could be just friends and family exclusive. Now let me show you a closer look at this pair. Okay, so let us start with the toe box. It is a dark blue suede material that goes all the way to the tongue and the eye stay. Before I forget, let me tell you how the release went down. It was released April 3rd, and like I said earlier, Imran Potato website released both colorways. The Vans OTW site released the navy one, and both sites still has the navy colorway available. And if you're wondering what other sites or shops that has this, well, there's only a few sites now that carried Vans Vault before that now carries the OTW line. The Vans site has those links, and here it is. Now let's talk about the back part of this. It's the same as the first release, and I'm glad they kept the red heel tab. The Potato Vans is still stitched on, however, it's not colored like the first release. The side panel that has a light blue color also has a suede material, but it's a little fuzzier than the dark blue one. And you can definitely tell just by looking at it. And if you want to know what MTE is about, well, these tags will definitely explain it. Okay, the first tag tells us that this pair is water repellent. The second tag tells us about Primaloft, and it looks like it's about insulation, how it keeps us warm, and also that it's breathable. The next tag is just about the off-the-wall logo and also the Potato Vans logo. The last tag is about MTE that says made for the elements. It says MTE delivers on a new promise of all-weather enabling product. And in detail, it says moisture management, water-resistant package, thermal regulation, cold weather thermal package, traction, and MTE1 outsole. And here's the QR code that tells you more about it. I'm pretty sure you noticed that when I took this pair out of the box, you saw the outsoles are very visible right away. Most people do not like this outsole, and to be honest, I don't like it either, but it does provide traction. But I do know that this is a deciding factor for everyone who wants to buy it or who does not want to buy it. I would love to hear what you think about the outsole, so comment down below. Let me grab the other pair so it doesn't have the tags and I can easily show you the inside. Here is the tongue, and of course I gotta do the squeeze test. Just by looking at it, you can see that the linings have a thicker and soft cotton material. It will definitely keep you warm. The label says MTE made for the elements, cold weather, and it has the Primaloft tag label. Here's the MTE feature that I want to show you all on the tongue. Each side of the tongue has an elastic band that is waterproof and attached to the side of the shoe. This prevents water from going inside and getting your sock wet. Pretty cool, right? Now it's time to lace this pair up. One of the things that this pair did not have compared to the first release, 3 extra different colored laces that it came with. Alright, it's all laced up now, but you know what? First, I'm gonna show you the insoles. And I can tell you, the pair that I wear the most is the black potato pair. because of how comfortable the insoles are. This one has the Ultra Cush insole. Oh, and before I forget, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Vance Dad. It is pretty thick, and what I'm gonna do is squeeze it so you can see how soft it is. I'm gonna do a little bend and flexibility test as well. I'm not sure if you all noticed that I have been comparing this release from the previous release a lot on this video. And guess what? On my next video, I will show a side-by-side comparison on the differences and the details between the first release Knu Skool and this Knu Skool MTE. So definitely stay tuned for that. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss out. So here it is laced up. What do y'all think? Please leave your thoughts and comment down below. Check out the detail on the tip of the lace. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, we are almost at the end of the video. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you do like this video, please hit that like button. It would definitely help my channel a lot. Here's some B-roll videos of this pair, and at the end, you'll see a sneak peek of my next video. Thank you.